So welcome to my kitchen. I'm preparing my supper, and I thought I should share something with you guys. It's been a while and I do love doing content. It's a part of therapy for me, and I hope my viewers also enjoy this type of content. I only have 2 minutes to share, so just work with me. I'm not cutting tomatoes. Yeah, tomatoes, depending where you went to school and which part of the world are you in. So I'm making tomatoes, I'm cutting tomatoes or what? So I think it's past 9 p.m. It's African time. I'm in Kenya. I'm trying to make supper right now, and I thought I should share something with my viewers because you have been with me since 2010, not 2018, 2017. And I appreciate that you people have been with me all through. Even though I don't have a big following or a big follow up or big subscribers, but I appreciate you guys. So today I had this busy day. I had a busy day, yeah, I had a very busy day. Things weren't working as per se, but I've discovered that a bad day is only a bad day. There, there'll always be good days out there. So don't allow a bad day spoil your entire week or your entire month. They're there. Yeah, a time comes that we have differences at work, differences in the office, and they're part of it. They're part of life actually. And if you are in an environment where people are always agreeing in everything, you are in a wrong environment. Yes, if you are in a room and you are the only one who's smart, mm-mm, please change your cycle. Mm. Yeah, so I just want to say that I had a bad day today. Yeah, and I hope tomorrow will be a good day. Just to inspire or encourage someone that bad days are there. They're part of days, yeah. So put your head up, put your chin up. They're always good days. Thank you for watching. I only have 2 minutes. So thank you for watching and have a lovely night. Well, I try to make my supper. Good night. Bye.